These 7 mistakes have nearly killed my online business. It took me 3 years to learn all these things, but I'm going to teach you in the next 10 minutes. So make sure you stay focused for the next 10 minutes so that you will also save tons of your time and ears, and you will not repeat this mistake which I was making in my business. Hello, this is Ayush. I welcome you to my channel. So on this channel, I create videos on solopreneurship, client acquisition and lead generation, and it will help you become better and attracting clients. So let's get started. The first mistake which I was making was procrastination. So procrastination is like a deadly disease which almost kill a lot of my time and energy, and the worst part is I didn't realize when I become habitual of procrastination. So होता क्या है कि it starts slow, right? You start neglecting one task or 2 tasks and धीरे धीरे करके you won't be able to realize कि कब ये एक habit में बदल जाता है, right? And that is why it is so deadly. The changes is so small over a period of time कि वो आप notice ही नहीं कर पाओगे, and कब आपको एक छोटी सी टास्क मुश्किल लगने लगे ये आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा, and that is the sign that you have become a chronic procrastinator. Now procrastination of course kills away a lot of time, you know, and because of which जो आपको एक्शन लेना चाहिए आप वो लेते नहीं हो. So it's a deadly disease, stay away from it, and the best way to kill procrastination is whenever your mind will say that okay, let me not do this task, let me delay it, you at that point of time you should actually do the task. You should sit and you should start doing the task, and आप realize करोगे कि 5 से 10 मिनट के अंदर procrastination चले जाएगा and you will be actually enjoying the task. So quit procrastination, my friend, otherwise it will take away the whole of your life and the business. The mistake number 2, motivation. So for a very long period of time I was relying on motivation कि अरे यार मैं वेट करता हूँ मोटिवेशन आने का, you know, मुझे मोटिवेशन फील नहीं हो रहा है, आई एम नॉट फीलिंग मोटिवेटेड टू डू दिस, जिम जाने के लिए मुझे मोटिवेशन नहीं आ रहा है. दैट इज़ नॉट द राइट वे. द रीज़न बीइंग इज बिकॉज मोटिवेशन कम्स एंड गो, वो आज है वो कल नहीं है. तो आप इस तरीके से तो काम नहीं कर सकते ना कि आप आज काम करोगे कल नहीं करोगे, करेक्ट? सो इट टुक मी अ लॉन्ग टाइम टू रियलाइज दैट डिपेंडिंग ऑन मोटिवेशन इज द वर्स्ट वे टू स्टार्ट डूइंग अ टास्क. रादर आप जब काम करना शुरू करते हो, दैट्स हाउ यू गेट मोटिवेटेड. द रीज़न बीइंग इज वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एंड वी आर गोल सीकिंग क्रिएचर. सो जब हम टास्क करते हैं, काम करते हैं, we see that we are getting closer to our goal, and that's what makes us motivated. So waiting for motivation for the work is not the right approach. Rather you should work and you will see yourself feel motivated. So for the next time whenever you sit for the motivation, I will actually encourage you to just start doing the task, and आप मुझे बताना आधे घंटे के बाद आप motivated feel कर रहे हो कि नहीं. Alright, mistake number 3 was perfectionism. So right from my childhood I was a habit of perfecting things. जब तक चीज़ें perfect order में नहीं रहती थी, perfect अच्छी तरीके से नहीं रहती थी, मैं task को नहीं करता था. I'll tell you one of the incident that in my school days I didn't participated in a race competition because I thought I was not ready for it and I should actually prepare for it and then next year I will participate. How childish and how funny it is, right? But यही गलती हम सब अपने बिजनेस में भी कर रहे हैं, आप भी कर रहे होंगे. आप वेट कर रहे हैं परफेक्ट टाइम का. वो परफेक्ट टाइम का जब आप अपने प्रोडक्ट को लॉन्च करो, अपने आप को लॉन्च करो, आप कंटेंट क्रिएट करो, एंड हर वो टास्क में जहाँ पर आप डिले कर रहे हो. तो लेट मी टेल यू माई फ्रेंड, परफेक्शनिज्म इज अ मिथ. इंस्टेड व्हाट आई रियलाइज्ड इज व्हेन यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन योर क्राफ्ट, दैट्स हाउ यू गेट परफेक्ट. नाउ लेट मी आस्क यू अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. आप स्विमिंग कैसे सीखते हो? अगर आपको स्विमिंग आता है, आपने वो कैसे सीखा? कि आप वो पूल के साइड में बैठ के सोच के एनालाइज करके दैट्स हाउ यू गेट बेटर एट स्विमिंग, या फिर आप एक्चुअली पूल में जंप करके यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग इट हर दिन, दैट्स हाउ यू गेट बेटर? ऑफ कोर्स द सेकंड वे, राइट? सो सिमिलरली इट डज अप्लाई इन ईच एंड एरिया ऑफ आवर लाइफ. कुछ भी आपको टास्क में अच्छा होना है, बेटर होना है, यू शुड स्टार्ट डूइंग इट इंस्टेड ऑफ वेटिंग फॉर द परफेक्ट टाइम. ऑलराइट, सो पहली 3 मिस्टेक जो थी इट वॉज रिलेटेड टू माइंडसेट. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर यू द बिजनेस रिलेटेड मिस्टेक विच आई वॉज मेकिंग. सो द 4th mistake which I was making was not launching my offer. So again it is a part of perfectionism only. मैं वेट कर रहा था परफेक्ट टाइम का ताकि मेरा एक ऑफर अच्छा हो, मेरा प्रोडक्ट अच्छा हो, एंड देन मैं अपने आप को लॉन्च करूं. एंड एक्चुअली इट टुक मी अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम बिफोर लॉन्चिंग माई सेल्फ. आई हैव वेस्टेड अ लॉट ऑफ ईयर्स इन लॉन्चिंग माई प्रोडक्ट. एंड वॉट आई रियलाइज्ड इज इन द सेम वे हाउ वी लर्न अ स्किल, our offer, our product get better when we actually start working with our clients. So Instead of waiting for the perfect time to launch your product, your services, you should launch it when you feel it is 20-30% ready, and then let the market correct it and let the market improve it over the period of time. Like आज के डेट में मेरा जो ऑफर है, मेरा जो प्रोडक्ट है, 6 months ago it was not like that, right? And in the last 6 months I worked with a lot of clients and it get improved with their feedback and with their experience, right? So that's how you need to improve it. Mistake number 5, helping everyone. And I see this mistake a lot of newbie entrepreneurs are making, that as soon as they start doing their business or start freelancing, they started helping everyone. So this mistake even I also made in my journey early on. So let me give you a very simple example. Let's say there are two people, A and B, and both of them are providing a graphic designing solution, but person A is only providing for the coaches while person B is providing for everyone. So if you are a coach looking for a graphic designer, tell me, who would you choose, person A or person B? Of course person A, right? And why? Because he specializes in that coachingness, so you will naturally feel that he will do a better job compared to person B. And that is the exact reason why the clients will choose you if you only narrow down to one audience type. So that is why you should avoid helping everyone, especially in 2024, because we have thousands of service providers providing a similar service like you. So if you want to stand out, you have to niche down to one audience type, and you should learn more about them and make it everything about them in the beginning. And later on, after a couple of years, you can expand to different audience type. That is okay once you build a brand. Alright, mistake number 6, jumping from one course to another. So I was like a learning junkie, I call this. Like I was purchasing a lot of books, I was purchasing a lot of video tutorial, I used to watch a lot of YouTube channel. Nothing bad in that, but the problems start when you don't implement the things. When you jump from one course to another in a hope that you are making a progress. And the reason why it happens is because, you know, like when we consume these courses, these books, we actually feel good because हमें लगता है कि हम progress बना रहे हैं, हम progress कर रहे हैं. But the real progress is only when you start implementing these courses, when you start taking the action. So आप खुद अपने लाइफ में देखिए, अगर आप कोर्स खरीद रहे हो, आप कोर्स पढ़ रहे हो, क्या आप एक्शन ले रहे हो? क्या आप आज बेटर हो कल के मुकाबले? इफ़ यू आर नॉट, देन यू आर ऑल्सो अ लर्निंग जंकी माई फ्रेंड. सो स्टॉप डूइंग दैट. इंस्टेड आपको क्या करना है, आपको एक कोर्स या एक बुक परचेज करना है एंड यू हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट इट 100 टाइम्स. यस, आप एक बार कोर्स करो, उसको आप इम्प्लीमेंट करो, देन अगेन आप कोर्स वापस से उसे दोबारा देखो, आपको नए इनसाइट्स मिलेंगे. आई कैन गारंटी यू, आप अगेन उसके इम्प्लीमेंट करिए, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू इम्प्रूव. सो स्टॉप jumping from one course to another. Instead, take one course and implement it 100 times. Mistake number 7, not creating enough, not building your personal brand. This is 2024, my friend, and the way you build trust and the way you get clients is through your personal brand. Again, let me give you a simple example. Let's say two people are there, A and B, and both of them are graphic designer, and you are looking for a graphic designer, but person A is not present on social media, he is not creating any content, while person B is creating content on LinkedIn, on YouTube. And let's say you do the research on both of these person, who would you likely to choose? Person B, right? And the reason being is because he is creating the content. So I made this mistake for a long period of time. I started my journey back in 2020, but I was not creating content consistently for the 3 years. It's only in the last year I started creating content on LinkedIn and YouTube. I have recently started. So that is why I'm sharing with you. Don't make the mistake which I have made. If you are starting your journey, or if you're watching this video right now, start creating content, start talking about your product, start adding value through your content, my friend. Create more, consume less, because that's how you're going to build a personal brand which is going to serve you the rest of your life. Alright, so these are the 7 mistakes which I have been making in my business, which took me years to learn, but now if you have watched it till the end, you are aware what are these 7 mistakes. So I hope you will not be repeating it, you will not be making it. And if you really like the video, please share it with one of your friends so that he will also get the benefit. And I encourage you to subscribe to my channel so that I keep creating this amazing video for you. Till then, thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.